So this is an exciting day. It's always an exciting day when you get the keys to a new building. Whether you buy the building, lease the building, whatever, it's still fun. So we are heading to Washington, South Strabane Township, just north of Washington on Route 19. That's where our South Pittsburgh location is about to open, hopefully March 1st. So we're heading there to check it out with some members of the team, some of our managers, one of our contractor guys, to start the process of getting everything built out. So over the next few weeks, we're going to see this building transform into something awesome. We will have our 5th shop up and running, and we're excited to show it off to you guys. That's the new store. We're doing stuff with our lives. Woo! Here we are. Lots of work. So we're here basically just developing the game plan. We're mid-January. We're hoping to be open by March 1st. They still need to finish cleaning out some of this. The whole back section was like this big giant storage rack area. So it was like a giant erector set, and it was like 4 stories tall. That's gone. We need to clean that, paint that. It looks rough right now, but we've worked out of much rougher. Our shop in LATROBE looked significantly worse than this the day that we took it over. So a little bit of paint, a little bit of cleaning up, and this will look like a blackout in no time.
Yeah, no, I was just.
If it's wrong, I'll call them and say you're going.
Because there's a water table, a quantizer, a field board, and a toolbox. Yeah, 3 of those.
Okay, so we just left the Washington store. We've got Trent starting on the demolition already so that we can start building out the showroom, hopefully in a week or 2. That's done. We get everything cleaned up in the back, get new lighting in there. We already have all of the equipment and fixtures and everything that we need for that location set aside in our Gibsonia and LATROBE stores. So we're excited to get moving. Ian's been with us for a few years now. He's going to be in charge of that store, and we think he's going to kick butt. It's right after the Pittsburgh Auto Show. We've got a huge surprise for you guys at the Pittsburgh Auto Show. So if you weren't planning on coming, you should. You're going to see some stuff that you never thought you were going to see in Pittsburgh. Give you another update soon.